Hello everybody and welcome to another video where today I'm going to teach you how to put green screen effects in your videos. So what you're first going to want to do is put your background stuff down here at the bottom. I'll just extend that a little bit. Then what you take is your footage, put it on top. Then you hit green screen. You make sure that the color is all right. Then you hit OK. And there we go. Now your green screen's working. Good job, you did it. And I'll also show you motion tracking. Sorry for an interruption, guys, but this audio did not work, so I'm doing a voiceover for it. And hopefully it'll be okay. So, anyways, what you're going to want to do is hit that button right there. Then you're going to want to hit start tracking. Then what you'll do, actually don't hit start tracking. So, change the size of that box and move it up to where you want. And then you hit start tracking. I'm stupid. And what you do is you just wait for the bar to fill. And as you can see, it'll track the thing which you're trying to track, if it works right. Then what it'll do is finish. Then what you do is go to the bottom, hit select one of the ones that you want. I did import. Then you select your image. Then you adjust your image, and you're like, most people will be like, hey, what do you mean? The image is just there. No, just give it a second. Once it's there, it'll just track it. Like once you hit play, it's tracked. So, bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See ya.